Hi guys, in this video show how create a custom tool with the Agno framework. First, uh, I show the documentation of Agno. It's very complete. You can see tools, toolkit. Agno have summary tools, and you can write your tool. This example, create a shell tool for execute shell commands. Okay, let's create our tool. My tool, I make search in packets, so I use this, and I get some book using hating for ordination. Okay, then I create my env, do this pipe style request briefly Agno OpenAI, and let's use a Z. Okay, I create my file. I use dot for create my file custom.py tools and create tools dash packed.py not py. Okay, now I have two files and my first file packed. I import some packed for this and class. My class is source tool, use toolkit. Okay, then um I need to use a okay, I create def my init. I can get this fast. My def init, I have my name of tool, my base rel, and packed.com. You can use a language or country for this, but I don't use it. And my run search. The run sheet my function for start my tool. Okay, let's write this. I get my template. I search tool back for packaging carry, resonated rate asking, args, return. Okay, now I got this. Okay, I have well, I get my base value, carry, headers, and logger. First, showing callable. I use right and use request get rel or headers. Response is different and 200 logger and use soap. You can use another package for this. Items. I need to get the class product card too because it's here. I use spec and content is div and product div my div is product card virtual. Okay, now I need iterate and items and add result. Remember, this function need return a string. So I use for this, and use for instance items, but I need to create the save find. The save find my function for abstract defined in HTML tags. Let's create this. So my status method self. Okay, and I use the save find get div content link and here I hate and I use install rated class and return yes. Now I need the use a set because I have try block. Okay, this is my tool. It's very easy. I get some books in packaged website. How I can use this? I create my agent. So I use my tools package search. I use a QM plus. This is my model. I like Q because it is very fast, very fast. You can use Kim or Kim. I don't know, but OpenAI is very expensive. I don't I don't like this. Kiwi is very cheap. And my API key, Basware for Kiwi. My tools, back tools, show my tools card, Markdown. Okay, I I I want to what top I want to get the 5 top books from pack to go link. Okay, let's run this. Python custom tool. Mais logs, Tiffin. Okay, here the system essential run to 5 the year 5 4.9. If I get this link, I have event drive, domain drive, event drive, deny. Okay. System properties, system essentials 5. That goes the title, this essential 5. Okay, it's there. I see you next. Thank you for watching.